Good day, grade 9. So here's another problem solving and involving angle of elevation. So here in our problem, a 14-foot ladder is used to scale a 13-foot wall. At what angle of elevation must the ladder be situated in order to reach the top of the wall? So here, ang kakaiba ay nawawala yung angle of elevation. Kasi dun sa example natin kanina, ang nawawala ay height. Now, in this case, ang nawawala naman ay kung ano yung measurement ng mismong angle of elevation. So, how will we solve for that? Siyempre, mag-start pa rin tayo sa illustration. So, illustrate muna natin ito. So, sabi, meron daw wall. So, sabihin natin nandyan yung wall, then ito yung ground. Now, yung wall daw po ay 13 foot or 13 feet yung taas. Okay. Now, the question is, gaano kataas or gaano yung measurement ng angle of elevation so that yung ladder will reach the top of the wall. Ayos lang pala natin. Yan. So ito yung ground. So, sabihin natin ito yung ladder. Okay. So, sabi, yung ladder daw ay 14 feet. Now, we need to make sure na yung ladder will reach the top of the wall. So, ang hinahanap ay yung angle of elevation. Let's label that angle as theta. Now, we're looking for the measurement of theta. If this is our reference angle, ito ang ating opposite side. So, that would be, label lang natin, that would be opposite. Then, ito naman ang ating hypotenuse since ito ay right triangle. So, from there, decide tayo ng trigonometric ratio. So, since merong opposite hypotenuse sa SOHCAHTOA, that would be or sine. So, that is sine theta is equal to opposite, which is 13, over hypotenuse, which is 14. So, from here, kung naalala niyo yung application ng trigonometric ratio, to find the measurement of the angle, we will use inverse sine or the inverse trigonometric ratio. So, to solve for the value of the theta, we will have theta is equal to the inverse sine of 13 over 14. Now, on your calculator, sa akin yung shift ang gagamitin. Depende sa calcu, ha? So, shift sine 13. Pwedeng yung fraction over 14. Or, kung wala kayo ng fraction button, pwede rin naman na 13 divided by 14. You will still get the same answer. So here, the final answer or the angle of elevation is 68.21 degrees. Gaya ng napagkasunduan natin, we will round to 2 decimal places. So that would be 68.21 degrees. So for an extra recitation, grade 9, here's your question. Question is, wait lang. Ano lang natin to. Yan. So, the question is, from a point on the ground, 12 feet from the base of a flagpole, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole measures 53 degrees. So, the question is, how tall is the flagpole? Don't forget to include your name and section kapag ka po kayo ay nag-comment sa ating para sa inyong extra recitation.